Hi, Dr. Weibel. I love computers. Hey, in this video, we're going to learn to use Office 365 to create a Word document. So, I've logged into my MU, clicked on the email thing. It opened, and then I clicked Office 365. And so here we are. So to do this, it's pretty simple, straightforward. We open the mail icon. Now I'm using Internet Explorer, and so it opened this in a new tab. Now, what do I want in this document? Well, I just want you to say, hi, Dr. Weibel, and this is a test to see if you can actually spell my name. Okay, then put your name. Since my name is Rick Weibel, I'm going to put that. Now, I'm going to rename this, and to rename it, I just clicked up there on the top. You see where my mouse is? And I'm going to call this Weibel Word Assignment. So my finger moved. Wrong set of keys. Okay, now when I click off of this, guess what? It saves it as that name, so it appears up there as well. So now let's go to File, and look, there's no save over here. So I'm going to say Save As, and it says there's no save button because they automatically save it. And you could download it as a PDF. Anybody know what a PDF is? Well, it is a portable document format. It's something that Adobe created with their Adobe Acrobat Reader. And the thing about PDF is you can send somebody a copy and they cannot edit it. They can view it. They just can't edit it. So it's a way of having kind of secure copies of anything. Okay, but back to this. So we're going to download it. So we click download a copy, and it says it's saving it. And you can say click here to view, but we're just going to close. Now let's go to my downloads, and it's not there. Where did it go? Let's try this again. Save as, download a copy. Click here to view your copy. And I don't know why it's doing this, so I have to click save again. And now I can open the folder, and there it is. So now it is downloaded. See, it's here on my PC on my downloads. I can also click up here on downloads, and there it is. Now from here I can easily upload it to the MU Online assignment. Now you'll notice here that I've installed OneDrive for Business. I don't know if you need the business version or just the OneDrive version, but when you click here, there it is. So there's my Weibel Word right there. So that's the same one. So I could also choose it from here if I didn't want to download it to my computer and submit it to MU Online from there. Okay, so we'll close this, and now we'll close this, and there it is. It's gone. But as we said, when we look in our OneDrive, there's the Weibel Word assignment right there. Okay, let's go back to Office 365. You can also click here, and this drop-down choice comes back. Okay, so the next thing to do is this Excel Online. So we click Excel. It loads Excel. So I'm going to do something a little different here. So we put in 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, counter to 4. I'm going to use this little feature called Auto Sum right here, and it automatically guesses that I want, my number sum. So I hit the Enter key, and voila, it shows 10. And sure enough, 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 and 4 is 5. So 5 and 5 is 10, however you want to get there. Okay. Finally, then, I just need to write my name on the document spreadsheet so that I can prove that it's mine. Now, again, we name it the same place. So I'm going to call it Weibel Excel. And let's look and see. And when we go to save, there's no save button again. Again, it says, hey, you can't because it's there. So we can download a copy. And so there it is. So it's doing it as book 1, the default name. I'm not sure why it's not saying that it is Weibel, but it should. And so there, we downloaded it. And so now when we come over here and go to my downloads, there it is, book 1. So if I wanted to, I can rename it. I hit the F2 key. That's the shortcut way. You could also right click and go to rename and then call this Weibel Excel assignment. Okay. If we go back to our Google Drive thing, there it is. Yeah, it's right there as well. Okay. So minimize that. And now I'm going to close this just by clicking. Okay, the final thing is a PowerPoint presentation. Again, we do the same thing. You just click on the PowerPoint. It's going to load it up. I'm just going to put my name here. If I can spell. Okay, that's good enough. Now, if you wanted to learn how to do more, you could do more, but I just wanted you to learn that it's there. Okay, so I'm going to click Save and Download. And there's something crazy going on here, so I say allow always. Okay, let's try that again. Save as, download, and click Save. And now when I open the folder, there it is, downloaded. Again, I didn't change the name this time, so it's saved as just as Weibel, or excuse me, Presentation 1. But I recommend you call it by your name. Okay, and so when we look at our OneDrive here, here's Presentation 1. It says it was made about a minute ago. Okay, so to complete this assignment, you just take these 3 files and attach them to MU Online. Hey, happy computing. I love it.